Hi guys, my name is Kalyani and I'm the HR recruiter for PCS Global Private Limited. So being in HR, let me ask you all a simple question that what do you understand by the term recruitment? So let me tell you guys that recruitment is basically the first and foremost role of an HR in an organization. So it is the process of hiring, seeking out or finding candidates for a specific job role in a company or in an organization. It includes the entire hiring process, that is from inception to a candidate's recruits integration into the company. But there is a major criteria that needs to be kept in mind during the entire hiring or recruitment process. That is transparency in hiring or recruitment. What I meant is that, honesty works both ways. Like, if you want your candidates to be honest with you, your candidates expects the same from you as well. They want you to be honest with them as well. So what I meant by this is that do not hide anything from the candidate. Like, if you are do not hide or do not use any technology underhand. Be open and transparent with the candidates about what your selection process is, or what criteria, or what criteria are you following for the selection, or what technology you are using to make to for the decision making in the selection, in the entire selection process. Be transparent with them. This will also build a trust between you and your candidate. What I basically mean is set and manage your candidate expectations from the beginning. Like, from the selection process, be transparent so that whatever expectations the candidate has, it's not overflowing. They are not expecting something out of the blue. So this will create a balance from the first day to, like, if they are working for 2 months, 3 months, it's a balanced expectation. Okay, if they are expecting something bigger, and maybe the company cannot is not up to what they are expecting, that should not happen in an organization. So that's the reason transparency is that actually, that makes a dispute between you and your candidates. So that should not happen. So that's the reason transparency is very important in the hiring. Share the salary range with candidates, or risk alienating great candidates by forcing them to undervalue themselves, or worse, like contributing to a gender pay gap. Stick to timelines you have created and clearly communicate them, even if the process is lengthy. Provide feedbacks after each interview, even if it is negative. That would also, keep the consistency of the of being transparent in the entire hiring process. Like, through like this, like, if you give feedbacks to the candidate, like whether it is good or bad, it will, like, if even if they are not selected for the job, suppose if they are not selected for the job, through that feedback, it would help them to learn and grow and get opportunities to prepare for their upcoming or future interviews in the long run. Like, basically, more than half of a company don't share the salary range and are unlikely to start. In contrast, let me tell you that in contrast, 45% of job seekers want insight around benefits and perks, flexibilities, and salary ranges for relevant roles before even, like, submitting an application. Like, if you are going for a job role, you can relate to this as well. If you're going for a job role, you would first look that what can I get through that job, like what are the perks, what are the benefits I can get by doing the job. Okay, so being transparent in the selection process helps the candidates to decide as well whether this is what they want or not. So that is the reason transparency is very important. It can help you become a more competitive employee in comparison to other businesses or other companies or your rebel companies or whatever you say. So that's all for today, guys. Do not forget to tap the like button there if you really enjoyed the video, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon there to get further updates. Thank you.